It's the elevator at Rainforest Falls. Okay, in Buffalo. Okay, let's go Wyatt. Here's this. Okay, 750 pounds. Okay, does this work? Let's go down. Whoa. Okay, we're going down. Alright. And now we'll be